टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल नर्सिंग नोट्स। नमस्ते, मैं आपका स्वागत करता हूँ नर्सिंग नोट्स अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पे। आज हम बात करेंगे ऑक्सीजन इनिशियल सप्लाइंग ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इनिशिएशन। डेफिनेशन: मेथड बाय which oxygen is supplement at higher percentage than what is available in atmospheric air. Purpose: to relieve dyspnea, to reduce the prevent of hypoxemia and hypoxia, to ultraviolet associated with struggle to breathe. इसके बाद sources of oxygen. Therapeutic oxygen is available for two sources: well outlets यानी सेंट्रल सप्लाई, और सेकेंड है ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर। Nursing alert: explain to the client dangerous lighting matches or smoking cigarette pipes. Be sure the client has no matches, cigarette or smoking material in the bedside table. Second one, make sure that warning sign oxygen no smoking are posted on client's door and above the client bed. Third point, do not use oil on oxygen equipment. Rational: oil can initiation if exposed of oxygen. Fourth point, with all oxygen delivery system, the oxygen is turned on before the mask is applied to the client. Fifth, make sure the tubing is patent at the times and that the equipment is working properly. Here, maintain a contained oxygen concentration for the client, the breathe monitor equipment at the रेगुलर इंटरवल्स। इसके बाद हम बात करेंगे इक्विपमेंट रिक्वायरमेंट। फर्स्ट, क्लाइंट्स चार्ट एंड कार्डेक्स। सेकेंड वन, ऑक्सीजन कनेक्टिंग ट्यूब 1, फ्लो मीटर 1 एंड humidifier filled with sterile water 1, oxygen sources wall outlets or oxygen cylinder 1, tray with nasal cannula of approximately size or oxygen masks 1 and 1, kidney tray, adhesive tape, scissor, oxygen stand and gauze piece, cotton swab if needed, no smoking signboard and gloves if available. Gloves is available. Chart of flow system oxygen administration. First method, nasal cannula, simple face masks. First one, nasal cannula, flow rate 1 liter per minute. 1 liter oxygen concentration delivered 20 to 24%. And advantage and disadvantage: converting an S machine and acquired breathing pattern. Comfortable more than face masks, nasal cannula is comfortable more than face mask, and unable to disadvantages unable to deliver concentration above 44%. इसके बाद bring less anxiety, allow client to take and eat, mouth breathing does not affect concentration delivery. Simple face masks, 5 to 6 liter per minute, 40% saturation, 6 to 7 liter per minute, 50%, and 7 to 10 liter per minute, 60%. Advantage is can deliver high concentration of oxygen more than nasal cannula. Disadvantages may causes anxiety, able to lead hopelessness and claustrophobic, may cause directly hazard to cleaning is method frequently. Final is should be removed while eating and taking. Tighter cell of long burning can cause skin irritation on face. Final is there are another high flow device such as ventricular masks, oxygen hood, and tracheostomy masks. You should choose appropriate method of oxygen administration with doctor prescription and nursing assessment. Thank you for watching this video.